Welcome back to my channel. Stefan Wolf is here. Quick EDC update. 18th of July 2019. So this is the essential setup I carry this summer, starting with Maxpedition Anchor by Fault Wallet. I discontinued unfortunately because the newer one is not so good in my opinion. A pouch with my earbuds because, you know, too many annoying people on the streets or in the public transport. My keys, of course, with my core tube. Pretty decent little kitchen light. Of course, Victorinox Classic AWOX. Great size, disappears in the pocket. And a generic Leatherman keychain tool because the biggest strength of the Victorinox Classic AWOX is how slim it is and how compact it is, but it lacks bottle opener, and especially in the summer you need a cold one, so you need a bottle opener. The knife of today, it's called Steel Broken Skull in CTS XHP, green olive drop G10 handles, ounce per inch or inch per ounce. It's great knife, 4-inch blade, sub 4 ounces, very decent price, full file geometry. It cuts like a champ. It's not all roses though, the clip is atrocious. It destroys your pants very quickly. And my Orient Mako 2 Pepsi on a grey Zulu strap. What to say, it's a decent watch, I like it very much, and that's enough for a watch. It's about 12 to 14 seconds plus per day, which is in the standards. Sub 200 euros here in Bulgaria, so the price is excellent for the quality. And that's the essentials. I will do a video about the extended EDC these days. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.